949, use what you know about angles in a triangle to find x in each diagram below. Show all work, then classify each triangle as acute, right, or obtuse. All right, A, I have my three angles. I have x, 80 degrees, and 40 degrees. So I know that all three angles should add up to 180 degrees. So I personally, to work through this, I would write an equation. So I would do x plus 80 plus 40. That equals 180 degrees. Now to simplify the left side, we could say x plus 120 equals 180 degrees. Now I can subtract 120 from each side, and I would get x equals 60 degrees. Don't forget your degree symbol. We do want that when we are speaking in terms of angle measurements. Okay, and we actually had to classify the angle or the triangle as acute, right, or obtuse. So I can already rule out an obtuse angle. There are no angles that are greater than 90 degrees. And we do not have a right angle at all in this triangle. So it's definitely not a right triangle. So that would leave us with acute as the only type it could be. And it is acute because all angles are less than 90 degrees. All right, part B. I have an angle that's 2x, one that is x plus 12 degrees, and one that is 96 degrees. I know that still all three of these angles are going to add up to 180 degrees. Okay, on my left side, I see that I have a 2x and an x that I can combine. I also have 12 and 96 that I can combine. So when I do that, 2x plus x is going to give me 3x, and 12 plus 96 is going to give me 108. And I still have 180 degrees on my right side. So what I would do now is subtract 108 from each side. I get a 0 pair here, and subtract 108 from this side. So I'm left with 3x on the left, and that equals 180 minus 108, which gives me 72. Now to get x by itself, I can divide by 3 on each side, and 72 divided by 3 is going to give me 24. So x equals 24 degrees. Okay, now we have to classify the angle as acute, right, or obtuse. Well, we know this angle is 96 degrees. This one is 2x. So 2x would be 2 times 24, which is 48 degrees. So 48 degrees. And then my angle down here is x plus 12, which is going to be 36 degrees. We actually didn't need to find these angle measures. We know that this triangle does have an angle that's greater than 90 degrees, so it is an obtuse triangle. Okay, and that is all for 949.